Want to know if Google Flow is actually worth using to make YouTube videos in 2026? A lot of creators waste money on fancy AI tools that promise the world and deliver almost nothing. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how many videos you can make on the free, pro, and ultra plans, and whether any of them can actually help you make money on YouTube. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know which plan is worth it, and which ones you should avoid completely. If you make faceless animation videos, YouTube Shorts, or long-form content with AI, you've probably heard about Google Flow. Google's new video generator powered by Veo. I tested it properly, did the math on credits, output, and cost, and today I'm giving you the honest breakdown so you don't waste time or money. Whether you're on the free plan or thinking about upgrading, this will help you decide what's actually worth it. Let's jump in. Alright, first, the free plan. You get 50 credits a day, and sometimes new accounts get a one-time 100 credit bonus. A single fast mode clip costs 20 credits and gives you about 7 seconds of video. So realistically, you're getting 2 clips a day, around 14 seconds total. That's enough for 1 or 2 shorts or reels each week. But if you're trying to make long-form videos, the free plan just isn't going to work in the long term. Google also gives you a 1-month free trial of the Pro plan, which comes with 1,000 credits. That's roughly 50 clips, around 6 minutes of video if you use every credit perfectly. It's a great way to test the tool properly for a month and see if it fits your workflow. But here's the truth, even on Pro, the longest video you can realistically generate in one go is around 7 minutes. And that's assuming 0 regenerations, which never happens. If you want to stop wasting credits, watch my video on how to give better instructions and write stronger prompts using ChatGPT or similar tools. As you can see, the Pro plan can't even keep a Shorts channel alive. So imagine what the lower plans look like. Honestly, I won't torture you by breaking down the Plus plan, it's basically a polite nope. Here's the straight-up reality, if you're serious about long-form YouTube content, the free and Pro plans just don't give you enough output. To grow a channel, you need consistency. Most creators who make decent money upload around 8 to 15 solid long videos per month that start plus Shorts for discovery. Shorts bring people in, but long videos are what actually earn money. The lower plans simply can't keep up with that level. So what's the real solution? Google AI Ultra. Ultra gives you 25,000 credits per month, enough to make around 8 to 10 long videos, depending on your prompting and video length. That's the kind of output you need if you want to grow consistently. Now, pricing. I'm in New Zealand, so here's what it costs me. Pro is around New Zealand $36.99 per month. Ultra $459.99 per month. Some regions get half-price promos for the first 3 months. To break even on Ultra, you'd need to earn around $260 to $270 per month from YouTube, based on exchange rate. Let's be real, YouTube usually starts as an expense, not income. It can take months before you see meaningful money. But think of these tools as an investment in your channel. A faceless animation channel can start off making just a few bucks, but over time it can grow into a $10,000 a month if you stick with it. It's a long-term game, and you have to follow YouTube's monetization rules. YouTube doesn't ban AI tools, but you do need to add your own creativity, avoid repetitive or mass-produced videos, and make sure every upload feels original and actually valuable for viewers. Smaller channels usually make $50 to $300, growing channels hit $300 to $2,000, and established ones can pull in $2,000 to $10,000 plus. Your niche, RPM, and how consistently you upload long videos matter way more than anything else. If you stay consistent, hitting $300 to $2,000 per month is totally realistic. So here's the summary: use the free plan or the Pro trial to learn the tool and master your prompts. But if you're serious about long-form YouTube content, Ultra is the only plan that gives you enough output to grow. The lower plans are fine for hobbies or Shorts-only channels, but they're not ideal for long-form creators with long-term goals. Are you using Google Flow right now? Which plan are you on, and what's your biggest challenge with AI video generation? Drop a comment, I read all of them. I'm running side-by-side tests on multiple AI tools to figure out which one gives the best results for the lowest cost. Stay tuned. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.